We in Tokyo. Let's go. Look at all my bruises. I think I'm not having enough iron or something. Look at the mirror. Tokyo. We've got my bag plushies that I fit in Japan. We've got my kitty cat. And we've got my whale shark. And then we have my pins. There's a sea slug, JJK, and an orange. Who doesn't love oranges?
Shoes, Osiris or bust. Before there was us, Latino good
Around somewhere.
Suspicious of crush that tear the core up. That basement soul love. Bright guns and young trust curfew.
I just had no idea how big this is. We're at Hanabiyori, but there's also like a whole amusement park and like one of those tram things. There's like a stadium here. I had no idea. Oh no, there's a wasp sign. What the hell?
Let our memories ring, fed up piece of we've managed more to go. Been so smashing up my foothold, daring me to change. I don't wanna be so fake. My reactions.
I feel like if we had come like a week later, all the hydrangeas would be fully bloomed. It'd be really pretty. Okay, we got our fortunes there because I didn't realize you could, but we got our fortunes. And Olivia pulled 7, I think, and everybody's fortunes were on like this thin paper. And then I pulled 1, and it's on like this nice paper with like nice pressed paper. So like they were like, "Ooh, 1!" And then as the I think he was like a caretaker left, he like kind of like bowed to us and he was like, "Ichiban." So like I feel like 1 is good. Let me know in the comments.
Tell his brothers keep him safe. Camera back, document the present, cause the present is the past. Love and living in the moment, build a pier for me to cast off. Watching Tokyo, Osaka, Michigan, in yours and vodka. Blow up
It made it smell so good. I feel like no one talks about that.
Real talk love. Shoes, Osiris or bust. Before there was us, Latino good luck. Suspicious of crush that tear the core up. That basement soul love. Bright guns and young trust curfew. Grew up not out, maybe in Chicago, but we rendezvous somewhere else. I know distance sucks, bridging of the gap so we can reaffirm my trust in you. In this I'm resolute, maybe tougher times will come, and I'll treasure what I've won in this old groove. Get the video proof. Embarrassing ourselves with no regard.
Ordered takeout, and it looks so good. I got 2 meals because I was like, I'll save one for like breakfast tomorrow, because I couldn't decide between like the box, like the bento, or the katsudon. And then we got 2 croquettes, and I got like a prawn. So I'm so excited. It looks so good. The side dishes. We got the croquette. I'm not like filming very good. I'm just like being a pleb. Yeah, that's okay. I don't know what this sauce is. I'm so happy right now. The croquette's good. Let's add some snacks. I already had some of these because I really wanted to try them. So these are golden kiwi fruit soda gummies, and they look all juicy, and they are juicy. Spoiler alert. They're so good. I could eat 100. How about them apples? How about them kiwis? Japan is low-key on another level with ice cream. Look how far it goes. Oh my god. Oh. It's just good soft serve. Also, I'm lactose intolerant. It's a cruel Romeo and Juliet fate. I love ice cream. Ice cream doesn't love me. Okay, it's already not Romeo and Juliet-y. Tune back in tomorrow. We're going to the Ghibli park. No, the Ghibli museum. The park's too far. Tune in tomorrow to see that. Or don't. But I think you should, because you're kind of starting to grow on me, you little scamp. In a lot of these clips, you may notice that I'm always taking videos of Olivia And that's not because I hang behind. It's because she always, Speedy Gonzalez, runs to her destination. So she's always in front of me. It's not an artistic choice. It's abandonment. They're women and they're in love.
It's
Ooh,
good.
it looks good. Me and editing. Put horror movie music over this. It's actually so good. Still lactose intolerant, by the way. Nothing's changed since yesterday. Okay, we're off to the Ghibli Museum. And I hope, and also don't hope, that I spend a lot of money in the gift shop. It's the key word of this trip, gift shop. We just came up these stairs too on the way here, and like, oh my god, Japan. Like the never-ending sequel. We're not even there yet. We're like half an hour early, so we're just like wandering around. Just killing some time. It's really nice though. It's raining, so it's not too hot. It's a nice day in Tokyo. Nice day in Mitaka. And it feels like home because it's raining. It always rains at home all the time, all year. It's actually so quiet and peaceful, and I'm just enjoying going on a little walk by myself. As an extreme introvert, these moments are the only moments I have alone. And I need them to recharge, so I'm just taking it all in. Nobody following me. Me not following anybody. Following my heart. Going where my heart tells me. It's great. But hi, we're here for a quick little pop in here because I really wanted to talk about the Ghibli Museum. I wanted to say that not only was there the museum, but there was also like a cafe, like a place with food and desserts and drinks and stuff. But then one of the more interesting things was that they also showed a movie, and I think they have different options, but the one that they played for us was about cat bus. So it has May, and she meets like a mini cat bus, and she like climbs in the mini cat bus, and it's like she squeezes in there, and then she sees cat bus again, she sees Totoro, and then she like there's cat train, there's cat blimp, like 4-story blimp. Like it was actually pretty cute and funny, and it was a good time. And we got these little tickets for the movie that they like stamped when you went to see it. And they played it like every 15 minutes, so we were there for like 2 hours. There was quite a lot to look at. I didn't think it would take that long because it's not that big, but it, you know, we ate, we had a little snack, we saw a little movie, we looked around all the floors. My hair is unbelievably frizzy and it just won't quit. The humidity just won't quit. Okay, I really had to narrow down some stuff and my basket is still super full. I've gone up and down so many times. I just walked by some guy and he was like, "You look so nice," and I didn't acknowledge him. He's like, "Excuse me," and I just ran. Olivia and I both have big bags, and so we're gonna go drop them off at a locker. That is loud. I don't know why, but we're in an electronics store. I know. We have one in like the same spot. I thought I was safe from white men when I left the country. But alas, no matter where you go, Kurapika
is now drowning in an indescribable emptiness.
Did you press the button yet? How do I? It was my fault. It was me. I acknowledge my mistake.
It's me, hi.
Give them to me. I want them so bad. No.
We're gonna try again?
I have a gambling problem. Over the edge.
They make it so, like, dramatic,
This is
too.
harassment. It's just win. Expectation versus reality. We out here. I'm tired. It's on our period. it's nice and cool.
I'm wearing a skirt or a dress. That's
It's all in a day's work.
I've had people look at these.
I'm thoroughly embarrassed, but that's okay because literally everybody's being embarrassing. It's really pretty here though. My hair keeps doing this. All these couples being cute and all. We're just a couple of dorks. My turn. City of stairs. Da, 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 free for you. I don't know La La Land. Go check your height.
I'm 172, I'm pretty sure. I looked it up yesterday.
It's saying you're almost 180.
What?
It says you're 175.
Oh,
I don't know if that's true.
maybe I picked the wrong one. Or not picked, I mean...
It says you're like 70 inches.
Oh.
What the dog doing?
What the dog doing?
Oh, well, I think we have to go around.
I think we're going...
Awkward. We were just looking. Gotta catch 'em all, it's you and me. I know I will spend money. This is crazy. Guess who my starter is? Guess. Oh my god, I used to have plushies of them. Oh my god, this was my era. Oh my god. First January. The longer I stood in that line, the more the nostalgia faded, and my rational mind came back and was like, you don't need any of this. I really wanted it though. Life hack, if you just want a little plushie, go to the Pokemon Go store. There was like nobody there. We out here finally trying Crimea. smells good. I'm so shiny. Please ignore. Whoa. Whoa. It's like unlike any ice cream I've ever had.
Very, like, creamy is the only word I would use to describe it.
Creamy not only in texture but in taste.
Yeah.
The cone is so good. Go here. Go here.
That's gross as
It like melts in your mouth. We didn't really do a ton today. We went to the Ghibli store, we went to the Pokemon Mega Center, and we went to the big animated Ikebukuro. I forgot to film the ramen. We got, wait, what's it called? Ichiran ramen. You have to. And then we got the creamy ice cream, so like, I feel pretty successful. Successful day in Ikebukuro. Not my most flattering day, I will say. Especially not from this angle. Look at the texture. Yum. I know the sound of the washer is super annoying, but the Airbnb people left us snacks. There's that mini noodle, so cute. And like, I don't even know, there's like nuts and stuff. And I think there's like a rice cracker, and then whatever these are. Please ignore my hair. It's crispy from the water and lack of conditioner here. So I'm out of food, so I'm gonna have that little noodle and some of the snacks they left us. And then I think I might go to Harajuku. I don't know. I'm kind of like, I don't know what to do today. I have a free day today. I just needed a day untethered. I needed a day. You know what this means? Kimchi. And if I did put kimchi in it, what could you do about it? I'm manspreading right now. So I'm too strong for you. Don't tell Olivia. Yeah.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display.
So I got my fave nudes. How many times have I talked about these? As soon as I saw these, I just wanted them so bad. I was like, ooh, chocolate cream puffs, yes. And then these have a spicy little pepper on them. Love that. And then I got some matcha chocolate. Everything looks really good and I want to eat it all. She's got lizards for skin. In the night. These are bomb. These are bomb. They have like spicy warning on it, but it's not even that hot. Hey, what's up? Another long day? Just try our yummy spicy caramucho and say hi. This is great. I'm just sitting on this tiny couch. Like a tiny couch. I'm just eating ice cream and watching YouTube, and I'm truly recharging in this moment, and I'm very happy about it.
The present, cause the present is the past. Love and living in the moment. Build a pier for me to cast off. Watching Tokyo, Osaka, Michigan.